Hello and welcome to Lasa.africa. Today we'll be assembling our CASA 0M8 desk. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part A, two parts F, four parts number 2, and the supplied Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part B, one part C, two parts D, and our number 3 screws, as well as the Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We'll do the same for the other side. For our next step, we'll be combining the two repeating steps. We've got our previous assembly A, B, C. We'll also be needing 4 parts number 1, the longest screws, and 4 parts number 2 for this step. On our parts B and C, please take note of these additional holes here on the frame. These need to be facing the same side, facing inward when installing. We'll be doing the same for the other side. For our next step, we'll be needing one part G and two parts number 1. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts H and 4 parts number 3. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts of our number 4, the foot standoffs. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA 0M8 desk. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and reviews. Thank you.